I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting account essentials now. Account number, billing zip, and the modem's MAC address. This prevents holdups. Next, decide which cable channels you want removed versus the internet tier you intend to keep, because retention offers hinge on that choice. Once done, gather any alternate payment methods and note your contract end date. Make sure to have a clear goal, lower monthly cost while keeping the same speed before calling customer service. Now place the call or start chat and state, cancel cable services, retain internet only. Explain why, cost, or unused channels, and mention competitive offers. This triggers retention options. If they propose bundle swap, be specific about speeds and price you'll accept. Ask for any promotional credits and insist on an account change confirmation ID and an email summary. Keep calm but firm. Escalate to a supervisor if the agent tries full account cancellation instead of service level change. Finish by arranging return of cable boxes and remotes using a store drop-off or prepaid label, record tracking numbers. Once returns are logged, check your next bill for any prorated charges, refunds, or rental fee adjustments, and make sure the internet-only price matches the confirmation email. Test your internet speed and login features immediately. If speed or access changes, contact support with the confirmation ID. Troubleshooting tip: if billing errors persist, file a formal billing dispute and request escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.